what we could talk about. Tomorrow's Mother's Day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's the 10th today. Tomorrow's
Hold on.
Mother's Day.
Let's get a good hold of it.
Right. This is our mic, by the way. Studio quality, we know.
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow's Mother's Day, and I just feel like everyone should appreciate their mothers. I bought
They
my
do a
mum-
lot more for you than you think they do.
I bought my
We will
mum
shortly be arriving
a
at
dress and stuff,
Please mind the gap
and I'm going to
between
get
the
her
train
a
and the
gift
platform.
card and stuff, but I feel like it's not enough. It's never enough, guys. Remember that. They gave birth to you.
Try and help them in every day so that it's like, you know, you're always giving back to them. It's not just one day.
Word.
Yeah.
So,
It's a bit awkward because we're in like public.
I literally couldn't care less. And yeah, we had a good day. Went to eat, and then we saw loads of people today.
We
like,
did from school.
yeah, a lot of people.
Quite a lot of people.
Um,
Well, today I'm going to my grandma's house for Mother's Day, and we're all going to be there. We're going to get fish and chips and kebabs. It's not really sounding great, but what can you do?
I don't know what we're gonna do. Don't know. But yeah, appreciate your mums.
Love you.
Shout out to my mum.
Shout out to my mum.
We're not doing that. The real OG. 'Cause do you get it?
This train
She was there. Okay.
Face is really good.
north and south.
My earrings shimmering.
Also, yeah, guys, Catherine has a problem posting on Instagram.
Okay, so I just really hate my Instagram because like I just
It's
feel
like
like
it's never been that deep. Like literally everything
No,
I
I
post
don't think
has
it's that
7
deep.
problems, and I'm like, no one's gonna care because if they do, why are you zooming in for? Why are they zooming in on my pictures? And like,
yeah, but some people do.
but like, why? Like, and if they do, it's like, okay, you found the problem. Now what? I'm not gonna take it down. I posted it for a reason.
No, I wouldn't take it down. No, it's just I don't have high standards. I don't worry about it day and night.
No, it's not that deep.
It's not that deep.
It's not that deep.
But it's just I look at a picture and I'm like, do I actually want to share this? No, so I wouldn't.
Yeah, if you don't, you shouldn't be
Like
forced.
it's not like a goal of mine to have like the best Instagram.
Yeah.
Like I couldn't care less really.
Yeah.
But I mean,
But like when there are nice pictures, he has some really nice pictures, and we're like, whoa,
I
everyone
know,
would
but
love
if you
this.
yourself don't like it, then why would you post it?
Yeah, but I don't get why she doesn't like them. Then again, I do really like ugly things. So.
So I don't trust her judgment really.
Yeah.
But this has been a really random message.
We
But
were together, so we thought,
why not?
why not?
Yeah. So
That's about it.
right, see you Monday maybe. Or
Maybe.
Tuesday.
Maybe.
Tomorrow. You know.
If we have no school. If we have actually no, we're on a trip.
Trip.
We have a trip
We'll
on
see-
Monday,
we'll see Monday,
and we have a
Tuesday,
trip on
Wednesday,
Tuesday.
Thursday, Friday.
Whoa, no uniform for like. Wait, do we? Have,
Wait, we have to wear a uniform
On Monday?
tomorrow. On Monday, yeah.
But yeah, cool. We'll have better videos. No. This
Okay.
is the best we've got.
Bye.
Literally.
See you soon. Bye.